How to link part 2 on TikTok in comments. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily link part 2 on TikTok in the comments. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, open up your TikTok app and go to your profile. And then here now first go to the part 1 video. So for example, this is the part 1 video. Now go to comments, and here in comments first comment part 2. And now after you have commented part 2, you have to tap on reply, and then here tap on this video. Now here tap on your gallery here in the bottom right side, and then from here select the part 2 video. So for example, this is the part 2 video I'm gonna select, and then wait for it to load. And then after it's loaded, you have to tap on next here in bottom, then here tap on post here in the bottom right corner. And now you have to wait for the video to upload. And after the video is uploaded, go to your profile and go to the part 1 video here, and then go to comments, and then here you can see the part 2 video. So this is how you can link part 2 on TikTok in comments. Thanks for watching.